freaking banger, y'all. Today is about to be a bathroom between me and my son, y'all. So we about to get into this banger right quick. So right now, I'm about to get ready to bath my son, y'all. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, post notifications. You will be notified when we drop a banger, y'all. So y'all, hope everybody having a wonderful night. So I'm gonna catch y'all back up in the next clip once I get baby boy ladder up. Peace out. Okay, guys, I'm back now. So right now, I'm bathing baby boy right now. So right now, y'all. So where you going, boy? Come on. Oh yeah, we got things going on. We got it going on, JT. We back with another freaking banger. Hell yeah. You can't say hell yeah. Can I get a hell yeah? Can I get a hell yeah? Okay, guys. So right now I'm about to ladder baby boy hair up. Let's get that thing. Oh, we about to get it funky, boy. Oh yeah, I got that thing battered up. Oh, I got that thing. I got that fire, boy. I got it battered up, boy. Woo, woo. All right. Okay, guys, while I got his hair ladder up, so right now I'm about to get him all settled and clean. So right now I'm about to get ready to finish battering him up and get him out the tub. So I'm gonna catch y'all back out once we get out the tub, y'all. Peace out. What's good, y'all? I'm back now. So right now, baby boy is out the tub now. So y'all, so right now he's watching his Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So right now I'm about to get ready to finish laundry, y'all, and I'm about to get ready to take a bath. So I'm gonna catch y'all back up in the next clip and see y'all later. Okay, guys, I'm back now. So I'm in the laundry room right now. So y'all, so right now I'm checking the laundry, y'all. So I'm about to see what's in the laundry, see if the laundry's done. So this the laundry room, y'all. This where we wash our clothes at, y'all. So that's what the laundry room did. So I'm about to check the laundry room. Alright, guys. So it look like the laundry done right now, y'all. Look like it's done. So I'm checking the laundry, y'all. So I forgot my basket at the house, y'all. So look like the laundry is done. So I'm gonna catch y'all back up in the next clip once I get back to the house, y'all. Peace out. Okay, guys, I'm back now. So right now I'm getting the clothes off the dryer, as y'all see in the basket right there, y'all. So right now I'm putting the clothes in the basket. Clothes look like it's dry. So I'm putting the clothes in the basket. Usually, sometimes if it's too many clothes, it takes a long time to dry, but it looks like it's not a lot of clothes. Okay, guys. So y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all back up in the next clip once I get back to the house, y'all. I'll see y'all later. Peace out. Okay, J Gang, I'm back now. So what you see now, our laundry is done, y'all. So okay, J Gang. So baby boy right now, he is finally asleep, y'all. So I'm gonna catch y'all back up in the next clip once I hop in the shower. So peace out, y'all. Okay, guys, I'm back now. I'm out the shower right now. So right now, guys, I'm about to get ready to brush my teeth, y'all. So right now, get the water running right quick. Let's get it. So guys, I'm gonna brush my teeth. So right now, y'all, I'm about to show y'all. I'm about to mouthwash. I'm gonna catch y'all back up in the next clip, y'all. Wait, hold y'all. I forgot to get this right here. All right, sorry about that, y'all. So right now, I'm about to show y'all how I do my Listerine, y'all. Excuse me, we're gonna show y'all what I do after I brush my teeth. So catch y'all back in this clip. Okay, guys. So right now I got my Listerine. So I'm about to get ready to pour this in there right quick. All right, guys. That jewelry I done, goddamn good, looking good, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Okay, guys, I'm back. So right now, this is going to be the end of my vlog, y'all. So I hope y'all had a great night. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog, y'all. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to post a notification whenever we get ready to drop again, y'all. So I'm going to catch y'all back in our next video, y'all. Love and peace, and good night, y'all.